Mipasalig si Davao City Vice Mayor J. Melchor Kitain Jr. nga dili maapektuhan ang sesyon sa City Council karong nagkaduol na ang filing of Certificate of Candidacy alang sa 2025 midterm elections. Ani ang report ni John D. Esteban.
Gilatag ni Davao City Vice Mayor Attorney J. Melchor Kitain Jr. ang napasar sa Davao City Council nga mga ordinansa sukad 2023. Pipila diha ang Anti-Spaghetti Wire Ordinance, Amended Speed Limit, Amended New Comprehensive Anti-Smoking Ordinance, Solo Parent Ordinance, ug guban pa. Sukad 2023, ana-ana sa 46 ang napasar nga ordinansa.
Listing for 2023, we have 29, and for 2024, until June for 2024, we have listed 17 landmark legislation.
Karong nagkaduol na ang filing sa Certificate of Candidacy alang sa 2025 midterm elections, mipasalig si Vice Mayor Kitain nga dili maapektuhan ang sesyon, labi pa nga duna pay pipila ka pending items. Ginalantaw manggod nga mamahimong mabisi sa eleksyon ang mga konsehal, labi pa nga kadaghanan kanila re-electionist o magpapili pag-usap.
I don't think maka-affect na kay the session will still be on Tuesdays, and I will not allow the session not to go on and proceed as usual. I will also monitor the outputs of their respective offices. In fact, I have instructed the secretary to send out memos reminding them that they have this much pending items in their committees and to dispose of them immediately, whether to close the item or to come up with the recommendation already.
Samtang sukad Enero hangtod Agosto, 33 sessions ang napahigayon. Gawa sa 18 ka konsehal, duha ang perfect attendance. Kini mao sila Alrayan Alejandre ug ang last termer nga si Councilor Pilar Braga.
To show to our people, especially our children, that discipline and sense of responsibility is very important. So that by being so, we are able to here in the legislature, we can pass more landmark ordinances that would redound to the welfare and good of our people.
Samtang ang pinakadaghan og absent si Councilor January Duterte.
But every time she is absent from the session, she is submitting a letter that she is on official business, being also the barangay captain of Catalunan Grande. There are instances when she needs to attend meetings that needs her personal appearance.
Si Councilor Diosdado Mahipos Jr. ang dunay pinakadaghang napasa nga resolusyon. Kauban si Jojo Solarte sa kamera, si John D. Esteban para sa One Mindanao.